Hey everybody, it's Beatrice here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stitch the single stitch, and it's very simple. All you're going to need today in your supplies is you're going to need a crochet hook any size, a pair of scissors, some yarn, any yarn of your choice, and I created myself a little swatch here just to practice on. So let's get started. So for the single stitch, we're going to just take our yarn, make a knot, however it makes you feel more comfortable. Okay, then you're going to take this and insert your hook into any project that you have. Grab that end that we just made. Then you're going to grab the yarn over, and pull it through the loop that we made and then the first loop that we went through, and pull it through. Okay? So for the single stitch, is all you need to do is grab your hook, insert it into that next stitch here. We want to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that is how simple the single crochet stitch is. Okay? Let's do it again. Into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You're always going to have 2 loops. That's how you know it's the single crochet, the single stitch crochet. Yarn over, and we're always going to pull through the 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Lets you know it's a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through. Okay? Now if you're just a beginner, you can see that it's a very simple stitch. But if you don't have if you're a complete beginner and you don't have a complete understanding of the basic stitches in crocheting, then it'll be difficult for you to make more difficult stitches. So the more you practice the basic foundation stitches, the better you are going to be at creating any kind of future advanced design or any kind of following a pattern. You'll know that the simplest stitch is the single stitch. And if you are a complete beginner, it just takes a little practice and remembering that it's hook into your project, your chain. So see, you have your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you're left with 1 loop. So we're just going to do a few more so you can get a hang of it. there you have it. We've just completed the single stitch in crochet. Very basic stitch that you need to know as a very, very basic stitch. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you join me for the next video. See you later.